Hi guys, if you are looking for a MMORPG template, you are in the right place. So first, I'm apologize for my English because my English is not good. So uh, I present to you MMORPG kit. So the creator decided to remove it from Asset Store and put on GitHub like open source code. So it's free now. The keeping he's keeping update. So look, last update for it's 2 days ago. I created the Unity patch for facilitate your work. Okay, so you can join on Discord. The link it's on video description. Okay, so when you download, you have this this demo. Okay, so you have a character and changes the clothes, weapon here, have amount, some mobs. So it's complete, have all features for so I show you my project. So it is my project using the MMORPG kit. So it's in development and look, uh, I'm working on user interface, hobbies. So yeah, it's my project. So, yeah, if you look for a MMORPG template, it's the I recommend it to you because it's complete and it's keeping to date. So sorry again for my English. I I'm learning, so sorry for if you don't understand what I said, but it's here. Then in the next videos, I will show how to use the MMORPG kit. So yeah, that's it. So bye.